Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Those are watching my video, I hope that you all are doing great and I'm also well by the grace of Almighty God. So right now we are on a temple and mainly we came here in order to visit this temple. I'm not alone come here, I'm with my little brother Snigdo as well as my parents and also my grandmother also with us. So I'm really having a very good time with my family members. In the noon time after eaten our lunch, and then my mother told me how about if we visit some temples today. And after that, we all family members actually agree on my mother's opinion, and then in the afternoon time then we left our home in order to visit some places like temple. Before coming in this temple we visit two temples before, so it's our third temple. Maybe we visit one more temple after this. So this temple is really beautiful. If I show you the area, just look at this. There are so many good pictures and beautiful pictures also available. The main temples at my behind, as you can see, there are some people also sitting and gossiping each other. And just look at this. It's really beautiful. Just look at the design at my behind. It's really beautiful. So Snigdhoda, if I ask you any question, can you give me answer?
Yeah,
Of course. Okay, so this temple is really beautiful, isn't?
yeah. This temple is very beautiful,
Okay, so tell us something about this temple.
and I am here in my life first time.
Okay, it's your first time here.
Yeah.
I'm not here first time. I came here before, maybe 5 or 6 times, but at that time I couldn't make any video because at that time I'm not used to make English video. But this time, I came here and then I thought I should make a video. I should share my feelings with you after coming here. Now we are enjoying. Actually, my parents and my grandmother already left this temple. They are actually walking at the in front of the street, but we both actually stay at this place and making a video. Okay, so Snigdhoda, don't you have anything to say?
No.
No? Okay, so I also don't have anything to say, but it's really good to come out with your family members and visit some places, like temple, or if you are other religions, then if you go your uh, like what you have in your religion, then it's a good. The bonding of your family members will getting higher after coming these kinds of places. Okay, so I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best.